Welcome back to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. Today we're solving CSWP Practice Level 15, Configuration, Problem 15.1. In this exercise, we'll create a part with 3 configurations: Groove 1, Groove 2, and no groove. This is a great practice problem because it helps you understand how to control dimensions between configurations in SOLIDWORKS. Watch the video until the end, and you'll learn the complete workflow step by step. You can also download the 3D model from the link in the description and try it yourself. I post new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe and stay up to date. Now let's begin by opening the drawing. As you can see, the origin is located at the center of the bottom face of the part. Our task is to build the model according to the dimensions in the table and create all 3 configurations. You'll also notice that the table includes the volume for each configuration, which gives us a convenient way to check our final results. Okay, let's open SOLIDWORKS and get started. First, let's make sure the units are set correctly. We want to work in MMGS and everything looks good, so we can continue. Now select the front plane and start a new sketch. Begin by drawing a vertical construction line through the center. This line will act as our axis of revolution, so it's important to place it correctly. Next, sketch the main body profile on the left side and add all the required dimensions. Once the sketch is fully defined, use the revolved boss feature to create the solid body. Now we'll move on to the groove. Select the front plane again and create a new sketch for the groove profile. This feature should be created separately, because we need it to work properly with configurations later. That step is very important for this practice problem. Add the dimensions for Groove 1 from the table. When the sketch turns black, that means it is fully defined, so we can use the revolved cut tool and revolve it around the center line. Next, we need to add a countersink for a 5 mm flat head screw. For that, use the whole wizard tool and choose the correct parameters. Then place the hole at the origin as shown in the drawing. Now the model for Groove 1 is complete. Let's check the volume. It should be 159,098.0 cubic millimeters. Perfect, that means everything is correct. Now we need to create the other two configurations, Groove 2 and No Groove. To make things clearer, I'll rename the revolved cut feature to just Groove. Now select the Groove sketch, right-click it, and choose Configure feature from the menu. This opens the configuration table, where we can control different dimensions for each version of the part. Expand the countersink feature, then double-click Sketch 4. You'll notice that a new column is added for the table. On the right side of the sketch name, there's a small menu button. If you click it, you can see which dimensions belong to that sketch. Now let's do the same for Sketch 4 so both features are controlled properly. At this point, we have 4 columns. Suppress. D1. D2. D3. These are the groove dimensions we'll use for different configurations. Great, now we're ready to create the configurations. Click Create New Configurations, then rename this one to Groove 2 and press OK. You'll see a new row with the same values as Groove 1. Now rename the default configuration to Groove 1 so everything is organized correctly. Next, let's add the No Groove configuration. We'll name the configuration table T1 and save it. Now change the dimensions in the Groove 2 row so they match the values from the Groove 2 table. Once that's done, click OK. For the No Groove configuration, simply check the Suppress box. Save the changes and confirm with OK. If we open the Configurations tab now, we can see that all 3 configurations are created successfully, along with the configuration table T1. Now let's test everything by switching between the configurations and making sure the model updates correctly. Excellent. All configurations work. Finally, we'll check the volumes for each version. Excellent. All configurations match the drawing. That is, we completed task CSWP 15.1 correctly. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, and support the channel. See you in the next one.